What if the power went out? Could you feed your family? What if the power went out for a month? What's in your pantry? How amazing does this golden grilled cheese with creamy, warm tomato soup look? This isn't no beans and rice, but it is a prepper meal. Just like all my recipes, straight from the pantry. I'm sure you've heard to stock up on beans and rice. Gross. I'm turning the prepping food community upside down. No more beans and rice, no more buckets of nasty pouch food. All my recipes make your daily life easier and double as emergency food. It's a 2-for-1. This mouth-watering grilled cheese and tomato soup is so packed with flavor and nostalgia. But I have to tell you a secret. You could buy the ingredients for this meal and store it away for a year, and it would be just as delicious as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They're quick and easy for daily life, but also perfect to have on hand in case of emergency, power outages, or heaven forbid, another global pandemic, with those lines wrapped all the way around the grocery store. We started with not worrying about dinner tonight, but it's time to stop worrying about dinner any night, and for all the future. Let me show you how to make this delicious, apocalypse-proof grilled cheese and tomato soup. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked that Martha Stewart rigged system that has us locked in our kitchens for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make delicious quick meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure you never have to worry about dinner again, for tomorrow or 30 years from now. Warm, gooey grilled cheese with creamy tomato soup is heaven in a meal. It brings happiness, warmth any day, but especially when the power is out. This is everything you'll need. A loaf of homemade sourdough bread, American cheese, mayonnaise, mustard, butter powder, tomato condensed soup, powdered milk, and water. In a pot, combine your tomato condensed soup with your powdered milk and water for the powdered milk. On the gas stove, on medium-high, stir as needed. While your soup is heating, start preheating your pan or grill for your sandwiches. In a small bowl, combine your butter powder and water for your butter powder for grilling your grilled cheese. Slice your sourdough bread, as many as you need, about 1/2 inch thick. Spread mayo and mustard however your heart tells you to. Add 2 slices of American cheese and spread the butter on the one side that's going down on the pan. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until it's golden brown. Spread butter on the top and flip it over and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes till both sides are beautifully golden brown. While your sandwich is cooking, make sure to stir your tomato soup so it doesn't burn. Once your sandwich is golden brown and your soup is nice and hot, you're ready. The result? Warm, delicious, golden grilled cheese sandwiches and creamy hot tomato soup that you can dip your sandwich in or just eat with a spoon. You have to try this recipe for an easy meal. Recipe below. If dinner's been feeling like a never-ending burden, it's time to ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me for more quick, shelf-stable meals, and visit loadedpotato.org to find recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. While you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll do all the calculating. You can even add it to your Walmart or Amazon fresh cart, all from our site, all free. Never worry about dinner ever again. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.